Okay, so what side is what here? In other words, on a triangle, if we have a triangle and you're trying to figure out what sides are, what side is the adjacent, what side is the opposite, okay, and what side is the hypotenuse. First things first, we're only talking about right triangles always, okay? And right triangles have this 90-degree sharp, 90-degree square edge here, okay? And opposite side to that, so look at this little corner right here, this corner right there. This side right here, this big long side that it's pointing at, this is always the hypotenuse. I don't care about anything else. I don't care where the other two are. This is always the hypotenuse no matter what. Now we just need to deal with the other two. Which side is the opposite? Which side is the adjacent? We don't know until you tell me what angle you're talking about. Are you talking about this angle right here? We'll just call this angle A. You're talking about this one? Okay, now I can tell you that this side right here, this side over here is the opposite. Then this one obviously is adjacent. So in other words, the adjacent, it's kind of hard to tell sometimes, but it's the side that does touch this right here. Okay, but what I do is I always find the hypotenuse. That's easy because it's the opposite of this big square corner, this right angle, this 90-degree angle here. And that's easy, it's hypotenuse. Then I got to see what angle you're talking about. Are you talking about this one over here or are you talking about this one? Oh, you're talking about this one, okay. So then this side is the opposite of that. See, it points away from it. So just, kind of just look where this is going to wave. This little wave is hitting right here. This is opposite. Then the last one is just adjacent, the last side. I just go, okay, I don't even think about it. I just know this last one must be adjacent. Same thing goes here. I'm going to draw a different shape, but same thing goes here. First thing we should do is see this little squared corner, and we go, oh, this big long side that's kind of this is pointing at. This little corner, this corner here is pointing at. This must be the hypotenuse. And let's say you're talking about this angle this time. So you're talking about this angle. What is the opposite of that angle? It's over here. So the last side must be adjacent. Okay, that's all. All right, so the opposite and adjacent, it depends what angle you're talking about. You're talking about this one over here? Well, then this is the adjacent and this is the opposite. Are you talking about the angle over here in this corner? Well, then this is the opposite and that's adjacent. But the whole time the hypotenuse stays the same. It's always the kind of the opposite side of this 90-degree angle here, kind of. And that's all there is to it.